What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. And yes, you've heard by the title, I failed phase 2 of the Funded Trader Challenge. But listen up, listen up. Every failure you go through is a learning step, is a learning opportunity. Now, what I learned from me failing the Funded Trader Challenge is that I've over-risked. And I even told you guys that I was going to over-risk. I over-risked on these trades. Now, listen up. I have a plan. I have an edge. I have an edge in the market that allows me to win more than I lose. All right. In the long run. All right. In the short term, I may lose a couple trades. I may go down a couple percentage points. But in the long run, ultimately, I come out on top. And that's because I have an edge. And that's because I have a risk management plan. Now, I was not following that plan. That's the problem. I was taking A plus setups and B setups, but I was not following the risk management part. And that is probably second most important part, I'd say. Psychology first, risk management second. All right. So I was not following that part of my trading plan. And I was down. I think last time you guys saw me, I was down. If I showed you guys phase 2, I don't know. I have to double check. If I showed you guys phase 2, I think I was down maybe 1%, maybe 2% or so. And then ultimately, I risked like 3% on this trade right here. 3% on this trade. I was so confident in this trade. Ultimately, it did go down, but you know how the markets are. It's always going to do what it wants, all right, before it goes your way. If it does decide to go your way, more often than not, you should just risk properly and just allow the market to play out. Whether it works or not, allow the market to play out. Now, again, I over-risked. I risked like 3% on this trade. And on NASDAQ, I risked another 3% on this trade as well. Again, they were A plus setups. I just didn't manage my risk. That's the biggest thing. I didn't manage my risk. All right, that's what I learned from that. So moving forward, instead of trying to force myself to pass phase 1 or phase 2 and try and get funded, I'm going to take my time. All right, I'm going to take my time. Now, I just hate to admit it, but, as much as I don't want to stay in the challenge phases of, trying to get funded, as much as I want to get funded quickly, not because I'm in a rush to get funded, but because I've taken so many challenges that, it gets boring having to take phase 1, having to take phase 2. I just have to calm myself down and be patient, all right? Otherwise, I'm going to keep starting from zero. All right? Patience is a big thing when it comes to trading. Otherwise, you're going to take 1 step forward, 2 steps back, 3 steps forward, 5 steps back, all right? It's going to keep pushing you back. So, yeah, these are the 2 trades that actually I took this trade on my live account this morning. Beautiful trade on gold. And FOMC wasn't bad. CPI and FOMC wasn't bad this week, or last week. CPI wasn't. This week was FOMC. So, yeah, I'm grateful for that. I also took this trade on my live account, that one. So, again, imagine if I was patient. I would have only lost this trade. I would have won this trade, and I would have won this trade right here. And I would have been up on the phase 2 account, very close to being funded. So, that's just the power of being patient, the power of risk management. All right. So that's what I learned. Not much to say. I'm definitely going to continue taking other challenges. I may go with FTMO next. I don't know yet. I may go with FTMO. Let me know in the comments down below if I should go with the Funded Trader or FTMO. FTMO is definitely not a bad choice to go with. FTMO is probably the number 1 choice to go with, especially with what's going on right now with, all the prop firm scare hype, everything that's going on. FTMO is probably the safest play to go. So yeah. I'll definitely update you guys. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging in the dark. I'm going to update you guys and let you guys know what I decided to do. And I'm going to record the series as well to make sure you guys are watching me as I pass these challenges and get to $1 million funded. All right. So, yeah, that's the update I have for you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. I may make some kind of boot camp for you guys to be able to learn a bit better. I know on YouTube, there's not too much content that you can just follow straight up, right? There's no guided content on YouTube. All of it is just scattered everywhere. So I may make a Forex bootcamp series on, trading, on support and resistance, retail trading, smart money. It's all the same thing. I trade a mixture of both. So you guys will definitely learn a lot from this bootcamp series that I plan to do. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for tuning in. And thank you guys for the support. See you guys in the next one.